You, it's your boy, man. What go on with it? You feel me? We better again. It's a brand new day today. You feel me? Today's Thursday. You feel me? Today's Thursday. Finna hit the gym real quick like we always do. Gain some muscle before you can look at the chart, man. You get me? Like I always say, if you win the morning, you get to conquer the day. You get me? So yeah. We better again. You feel me? Today's Thursday, you get me. Right now we're on gold 1 hour time frame. The time is 11:22 a.m. You get me. As you can see, marked out the previous day high, previous day low, and the way the market opened here. You get me. So initially, what it did, it created a small wick here. On the high time frame, this is gonna be weak. So it traded below, then traded above, breaking this fair value gap here. You get me. Retesting on this fair value gap. Right now, is broke the previous day high, and we have liquidity here. So my anticipation is price, if it wants to go to take out this liquidity, then I think it might miss me because it didn't give me any proper setup. Again, it has to, at least maybe for me to look for an entry, has to pull back, reject from here, you get me, before I can continue with it. But it might also do something like this because it's Thursday, we have liquidity here and here. It might try to come, you get me, retest here, then go for this liquidity, you get me. Or this might be for Friday, I don't know. Maybe it's just building up liquidity for Friday, I don't know. But so far, this is what I'm seeing. For me to take a trade, I have to see something. Let me go to the 50. Maybe I can see something on 50. I have to see something significant, you get me. As you can see here, open here, broke this low. This is proper, you get me. Broke this high, creating a market structure shift, leaving this fair value gap. So from here, I should have placed my entry somewhere here. Let me see something. The fair value gap is between here and here. So this is the candle that's entered inside the fair value gap, rejected, closed above. So my entry would have been somewhere here, you get me. So I didn't enter this trade, you get me, because I didn't go to the lower time frame, as you can see. And I'm right now just showing up to the market. I'm late to the, you feel me, because I was at the gym and whatnot, you get me. But yeah, man, I'll just see if I can see something proper. Maybe a retest, what you call this, a fair value gap. Maybe a retest on this fair value gap here. Maybe that's when I'm gonna look for a entry, you get me. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna wait and see how it rejects here and how it moves from there, you get me. But yeah, man, that's it for now. Just update you later on if I trade or don't trade, you get me. So yeah, we better again, you feel me. Right now we're on gold 15 minutes time frame. The time is 3:02 p.m. you get me. So as you can see, let me just remove this and this one. The market did come here, you get me, to retest this fair value gap that I marked out, and it went up, you get me. But I wasn't here to take this trade, you get me. I wasn't around, so it's okay though. Just gonna look for another trade, you get me. So what I'm seeing right now, let me remove this. I don't want this fair value gaps to be this color, you get me. Let me leave this one for now. Let me change the color of the fair value gap though to play. Let me do this. Minutes time frame, you feel. So yeah, left your fair value gap right here. I'm gonna change the color to black. It's black, okay. So as you can see, the market came close to breaking this buy side liquidity, you get, but it didn't, you get me. That usually happens, you feel me. The market just trick traders in thinking it will break this, but it doesn't. It creates liquidity here, you get me. Trade below and you think it's, you feel me, it just creates liquidity basically here, you get me, more liquidity. So right now it broke this traded below this fair value gap. Then we have this 15 minutes fair value gap here. So I'm just gonna wait on here and see if I can see a proper rejection in here to aim for the lower side, you get me, to aim for the lower side, maybe aim for this liquidities here, possibly this one as well, you give me my 1:3. Then I'll be done for the day, you feel me, if I do catch it. And if it do what I want in here, you get me. But basically there's liquidity rest in here, and it broke the liquidity on the upper side, so it might be looking to take out on the lower side as well, you get me. So I'll just update you how it trades and if I take a trade, you get. So yeah, man. We're back at it again, you feel me. I didn't take any trade for today, but let's break down what happened, you feel me. I wasn't here to take out some of the trade, that's why you get me. Just like this one in the morning here, as you can see, we have relative equal highs here. The market opened initially here, created this high, went below to take out this liquidity, you get me. After taking out this liquidity, it went below to take out this high. So this was gonna be a market structure shift right here. The market was gonna test in here just like they did here, as you can see with this candle. The wick just tested inside this fair value gap, rejected. After it closes with a bullish candle, I was gonna place my entry here. Stop loss is either below this or below this, you get me. Or was 1:3. Let me just show you. Let me just put this thing right here. I would have put my entry here. Stop loss is either here or here, you get me. One of the two, depending on how it reacts here, you get me. Let's see, I put it here, no problem. Below the fair value gap, the candle with the fair value gap, my aim is going to be 1:3. 1:3, you get me. So yeah, here's the 1:3, you get me. As you can see, it would have hit the TP. Obviously this is hindsight, you get me. That's why I say that would have been my preferred entry. So along the day I wasn't here, I wasn't around here, you feel me. I came back somewhere here, you get me. So what happened, he left this fair value gap, traded below this fair value gap. Like I told you, I was expecting price to reject here. As soon as he gives me a bearish candle, as you can see here, he broke below this 15 minutes fair value gap. I was expecting it to reject here with the candle of a bearish, you feel me, after entering in here. So he didn't give me any bearish candle. As you can see, it was bullish all the way. So what I could have done, I could have entered once it closes above this fair value gap here, you get me. Because after it closes above this fair value gap, he gave a rejection, then a bullish. So I could have entered here, basically here. But the thing why I didn't enter is because we had another fair value gap here, you get me. Let me just mark it out. That's why I didn't enter. We had another fair value gap here, you get me. That's why I didn't enter. So after it closed this fair value gap, as you can see, price is already here, you get me, close to the buy side liquidity here, you get me. So I couldn't enter close to the buy side liquidity. I'll be chasing price. The ideal entry would have been here, you feel me, because it was below the previous day high plus the buy side liquidity. So this would have been an ideal entry, but here I'm just chasing price now, you get me. But there's another liquidity on the above side, you feel me, but I don't think you're gonna hit it now, as you can see here, you get me. So yeah, I didn't want to chase price, that's why I didn't enter here, you get me. So yeah, man, basically that's the end of the video right here. Thank you for tuning in. Thursday today, tomorrow is Friday, gonna end the week, you feel me. We got two trades this week, one break even and one W, you feel me. So Friday we might try to trade because of I see liquidity on the lower side here, you get me. Price might look to at least come back a little bit before it can continue going high if it wants to go high, you get me. But yeah, that's it for here. Thank you. That's the end of the video here. Appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning in and whatnot, you feel me. Yeah.